What's good? I'm excited. I got a good package right now, unboxing, that I'm about to do. I've been using the a6000 for years, and I love it. It's what I'm recording on right now, but it's finally time to step up full frame and kind of start playing with Sony a7iii, and let's get it out. I went ahead and picked up the body only version of the a7iii, and I'm waiting on the Sony 55 1.8. This is ice lens, but I do have my Sigma lens that I use on my crop sensor that I can throw in here and just kind of test it out. Main reasons why I switched to this a7, I wanted to go ahead and go with full frame and get a little bit better image quality, bokeh when it comes to portraits and stuff like that, better low light, and also that 4K. So I was in between the a6500 and the what is it? Oh, this the a7iii. But I finally just went ahead and pulled the trigger on this. So what comes in a box? We have like the neck strap, battery, charger, the wall plug, and then the USB. And the first thing I took out was the actual camera. So of course, books. We don't need that. Let's actually look at the camera. Damn, it's sexy. Oh man, it feels amazing, like this grip. So this is the Sony a7iii. Really happy to get it. Jeez, it's just amazing. So it shoots 4K. I think it does 4K 30 frames per second, but you can shoot up to 120 frames per second in 1080, so you can get some really good slow motion footage. This is a full frame camera, so you can also throw on crop sensor lens onto here, and there'll be that 1.5 magnification. But I'll be throwing some of my lens on here now before I sell them. Like straight off the bat, so like the aesthetics, I mean, it just looks beautiful. It has this like ring around the actual lens part that just makes it pop, the black pop, and it feels really good. Like the ergonomics, there's way more room than on the a6000. Not way more, but it's definitely more room. It's a good feel. And you know, a lot of people talk about the size difference from going from the 6000 series or the NEX series up into the a7 series, but honestly, this isn't that much bigger. It doesn't feel that much heavier either. Now, of course, I don't have a lens on here, but you know, it's still all good. Now, looking at this, I have 4 customizable buttons. This does have a touch screen. Unfortunately, Sony still has not given us a flip out screen. All we can do is like articulate the screen, which is like good if you're taking things at at a lower distance or above you, but still, yo, why can't y'all just give us a flip out? This does also have like a dual slot for memory cards, which is like excellent. The battery life is supposed to be really good on here. It does have an HDMI hookup, 3.5mm aux hookup. So these are things that, you know, if you have another camera, you may not like think too much of, but coming from an a6000, like, I'm excited to have some of these features. I can finally plug in an external microphone, get better audio quality when I'm recording my videos. I can shoot in 4K, get that extra crispy, sharpness when it comes to videos. I finally have an in-body stabilization, and this is important because the lens that I do have right now, the Sigma lens, do not have stabilization. So when it comes to recording video handheld, it's not going to help out any. It's going to be very shaky, so this will actually help out with that in-body stabilization. And I'll probably go ahead and get a gimbal for this. So it yeah, this was just my unboxing of the Sony a7 III. Let me throw one of these, throw a battery in, get it powered up. I just wanted to let y'all know I had picked this up. I was really excited for it to come in, and finally got it. So now it's time to go shoot and figure out this menu, because Sony does not make good interfaces for their menus on the camera. So yeah, man, it's your boy Tay signing out. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to the channel, man. Go follow me on Instagram. You know, that's where I'm mostly at. Yeah, man, signing out. Peace. Hey, got that Sony a7iii. Hey. Let's get it.